Hi everyone, I'm Nelly, and this is Dennett Buckle Ankle Boot from Timberland. These boots have a premium combo leather upper with a strap detail for added appeal. There's a pull tab for easy on and off wear. On the inside, there's breathable linings for a great next-to-skin feel. There's an anti-odor OrthoLite footbed that will provide comfort and support. They feature a stacked block heel for an extra boost in height. Down at the bottom, there's a durable Log Outsole made from 15% recycled rubber. Comfort and style are just a few clicks away.